Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your birthday from an Instagram account. So you can see this is an Instagram account. So what you need to do, you need to tap on your Instagram application, and after that you have to tap here the right bottom corner of your screen. So profile icon, simply tap on that, and after that you need to tap here the option three line, right top corner of your screen, three line, and tap here settings and privacy, and you can say account center, and wait a second to get the page. Then tap here personal details, and then tap the birthday, middle one. And to be honest, you want to remove your birthday. Instagram won't allow this, but you can hide your birthday. So tap who can see your birthday on Instagram, and tap change visibility. If you choose the no one, it means that other people aren't able to see your birthday date. So comment today's no more, and thank you for watching.